Hi, I'm Mary. We're the EdelKampers. We explore, experience, and educate. Has your washer-dryer combo stopped drying? Mine did, and this is what I did to fix it. I have a Splendide big capacity, not that it really is that big, XC WDV2200XCD washer-dryer vented combo. Apparently, in order for your dryer to continue working properly, you should clean out the lint and water filter every 6 months. I'll link that video up above. I just made that. And you also have to run the cleaning cycle at least once a month or after 30 loads of wash. And I'm going to show you how that's done. First, you need to know where your wash cycle is on your washer and dryer. You'll find that right here. It's a little drop of water with arrows, and it's between the rinse spin cycle and the wool cycle. So you'll just turn your knob to that position. Next, you are going to fill your softener compartment and your bleach compartment to the fill areas with bleach. Make sure that you use regular bleach when you put it into your washing machine. Do not use the no splash formula. I didn't know that, and it's really important. If you use the no splash formula, it will suds up your machine and can cause long-term damage over time. So when you do use bleach, make sure that it is not the no splash formula kind. So your bleach is in the compartment, you're going to close it. You've chosen your cycle, wash cycle, and then you just push it like you normally would if you were doing laundry. It'll turn on. It's going to wash for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And remember, when you do this, your tub is going to be empty. You want no clothes in here. Then you'll just push start. I'm not going to do that now because I've already ran mine. Push start and wait for it to complete. Once it has completed the cycle and it shuts off, you're going to take a clean rag, a damp clean rag, oops, and you are going to wipe down the tub. And this is where you're going to find a lot of lint just hanging out. And that will clean your washing machine. Once mine stopped drying, I ran the cleaning cycle. I cleaned out the lint and water filter, which is the same thing. And I'm telling you, it washes and dries like it was brand new. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment in the section below and like it, and let me know what you think.